The Supreme Court says the state needs new congressional maps. KDKA's Megan Schiller is live in our studio this morning with an update on what this means for our representation in Congress. Megan.
Good morning. The rules of the game are changing, so to speak, and this means politicians could be moved to new districts and more congressional seats could open up, and it all comes down to a map. Now, Republicans currently control 12 of the state's 18 House seats. One seat is vacant, and a very big gerrymandering case went before the state's Supreme Court, and the plaintiffs argued that the current map was improperly drawn to benefit Republicans. They argued that the Democrats are packed into 5 congressional districts, and the remaining Democrats are spread out. The state Supreme Court agreed and just ruled that the map violates the state's constitution. They'll now work to draw up a more fair map, so to speak. The legislature has until February 9th to draw up the new map, and then the governor must submit them to the court by February 15th.
Certainly today there is the technology available to do that in an expeditious manner. 20 years ago there probably wasn't. Technology exists, and if the court is very clear in what it wants, then it's really up to the will of the legislature. Are they going to come together and actually do this?
The current special election that is happening for the 18th district on March 13th will still use the old maps, and then they'll use the new maps for the regular primary election that's coming up in May. Now, the Republican defendants are expected to appeal the ruling to the United States Supreme Court, but attorneys on the other side say they don't even think the case has a chance since the map is a state issue and not a federal one. Reporting live in the studio, Megan Schiller, KDKA-TV Morning News.